property the way you want it.
Me, I know you want to fix this property. This girl, you know, a lot of people complained the last time about maybe the AC too high. I don't know. Let me say, again. A lot of people were complaining the last time, saying that the property was horrible.
It's not horrible.
Things are the way that things are. It shouldn't be like that. What kind of property that you're putting out? But to be honest with you, we've toured property that are luxurious, but the prices on them are crazy high.
Yeah.
And oh my God, the price is so high. Why do you have to rent the property and the price so high? It's like, hey, no, it's not us that. You know, we're not just going
I don't know
around
if
to find
people
them.
actually assume that we are the ones pricing these
We're not the ones.
properties.
We're not the ones.
We're not the owners, so we know they price them.
We're not the one pricing them. But you know, when you find a property that is affordable, quote unquote affordable, they say, people will say, you know, the quality is not good.